Welcome back. You can use transitions in Clipchamp in order to connect two distinct areas of your video. For example, if you go to the transitions area, you're going to see that there are going to be certain transitions available to you. You'll notice again that some of the transitions are only available for the premium version, but those that do not have the diamond are available for the free version. Now for a transition, what you're basically doing is you're going to drag the transition to the timeline between two clips that you have. We can take this transition and you're going to see there's going to be a green button where we can add the transition. We will then place the transition where the green button is, and our transition will then be added. We are going to grab the transition. When we drag it to the area, you're going to see that there are going to be green buttons that will tell us where the transitions can be placed on our timeline. We're going to now make sure that we add it to the button, and when we release it on the button, the transition will then be added. We can then do this a second time. We can take this transition, a different one, and we can add it to the area where the transition will actually go. And then the transition will then be available. And you'll then be able to watch the transition to determine how it's actually going to look when your video goes through the transition phase. And you'll see it there in this area. And again, the transition. So you can use your transitions between two distinct areas of your video to connect them and give them continuity. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.